Is the stool leg broken? It doesn't matter. The plastic bottle will help you. Put it on the place of the fracture, and then with the help of the construction hairdryer, we'll hit the plastic, and it grabs the leg. Now everything's safe. If the hose is too wide for the hook, just hook it with a chain and hang it on the hook. We'll make 2 through holes in the bar at the angle. Now let's take 2 wooden boards, put them at the angle, and substitute the bar at the place of attachment. We'll fix it with a press and make the necessary holes in the board. Now, without any problems, they can be fastened with screws. It'll be very reliable. If the handle of the mop has ceased to fit snugly to the mount, glue the bottle stopper to the base and put the neck on the handle and warm it up with a construction hairdryer. Now the handle can simply be screwed into a base. Take a disassembled can opener, mark the attachment point with a pencil. Now we need a link from the chain. With its help, we will fix the knife on the bar. Now let's assemble such a wooden structure. Let's install a glass bottle here and see how our glass cutter works. It remains to heat it up with a construction hairdryer and then cool it down sharply with cold water. Done! The bottle has split into 2 parts. Look at what a perfect slice. Now I'll show you how to make a thread on plastic pipes. To do this, first heat the steel tube with an external thread and put a plastic tube on top. And then heat the steel pipe with an internal thread and pull the plastic tube inside. That's it. Now they can be screwed into each other. And if you'd like to make the flooring fit perfectly fine into the door jamb, let's just file its base a little. See how easily it fits into place? Let's outline the shape of a matchbox on a wooden bar, then cut out this shape on the machine. We'll bring the matter to an end with the help of a jigsaw, and then we'll make such a hole in our design. We'll grind the bar on the machine. The boxes fit perfectly into the slots. We'll cover the structure with a stain and we'll install a candle in the hole. Now you can easily get a match out of the box and then light a candle from it. Simple and most importantly stylish. We'll clamp the plastic tube in a vise, heat it with a construction hairdryer and flatten it as much as possible. Now using the blade, we'll mark the place for the hole and make it in our tube. Place the blade inside and secure it with a bolt. Thus we get a convenient homemade knife. By the way, you can use it to make slots in a soft pipe and use it as a stand for tools. The screw refuses to stay on a drill? Just attach the magnet to the screwdriver and the problem is solved. It's that convenient. We'll outline this shape on a wooden board, then cut it out on the machine, make a hole and sand it. And then we varnish it. Look, what a beauty! And now we'll make such a construction of 3 boards, something like a house. With this tool, it's very convenient to read a book with just one hand. And if you need to interrupt reading, you can always put the book aside for a second construction. Let's take the handle from the bucket and adjust its shape a little. Couple of correct bends and we get a convenient stand for adhesive tape. The bar in the wooden corner can be fixed with a regular plastic bottle. Just put it on and warm it up with a construction hairdryer. Jigsaw action! After pulling out the nail from the hammer, are there traces left? Just put a spatula under it next time. Wavy lines provide a much more reliable attachment of self-adhesive paper to each other. If you wrap a boiled egg with Scotch tape and roll it on a hard surface, the whole shell will easily come off the egg together with Scotch tape.